Hey Julie, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. And looking through your website, it looks good. I would recommend having like a click to call button or a short form for people to fill out. That would help with your conversions. And then I would add a little bit more content on your homepage. You want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. They have crawlers that are crawling the internet 24/7, seeing what keywords that you have throughout. And so you want more content and good buyer intent keywords embedded. And so let's take a look at a good keyword. Foundation repair Dallas. And so when people search this, the first thing that's popping up are some ads. And if we scroll down here, this is the Google Map Pack section, and you guys are ranking, so that is really good. 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here, and the top 3 get a lot of that. So that's super good that you guys are ranking here. And to maintain that, you just want to make sure that you have more citations than these other businesses and those good amount of reviews and photos. And you'd want to make sure that you are ranking for all the buyer intent keywords that apply to you. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing, and this is where your website is ranking. You're in the 2nd spot for this keyword. And it is super important to be on this first page as high up as possible, because this is where the rest of that 60 to 70% of business goes. 90% of people stay on the first page. The top 3 spots get a lot of that 60 to 70%, but the higher up you are, the more traffic that you'll be getting. So let's take a look at this brown foundation repair. So I have their website pulled up. They also have some good call to action buttons. Looks like you guys are beating them in the content department already. So let's take a look at the back end of each website. I have brown foundation repair plugged into Ahrefs here. And so let's take a look at some ratings pulled from Google data. UR and DR. So this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. And so they have 36 and 6. And what's making up these ratings here are their backlinks. They have 2.16 thousand backlinks coming from 205 referring domains. And so what a backlink is it is one website linking to another. So it's kind of like a shout out. And it is important to keep in mind that not all backlinks are created equally. And so you want to make sure you have good quality to boost these numbers, because spammy ones will lower them. And then Brown Foundation Repair has 515 keywords on their website. And so let's take a look at yours. I have your website plugged into Ahrefs. And so you guys have 35 and 7 coming from 3.2 thousand backlinks from 188 referring domains. And then you have 289 keywords on your website. And so I'd recommend a couple things here. You want to make sure that these numbers here are higher than your competition. And so you'd want high quality backlinks to boost these numbers here. And then you also want to make sure that you have all of the buyer intent keywords that apply to you on your website. And one way to boost your numbers here and get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. So you would take these backlinks here, go into them, and then link them to your website as well. Because if it's working for the Brown Foundation Repair, it would work for you. And then the other thing would be adding all of the keywords. And so here are some keywords that they're ranking for. And so this is where some of their traffic is coming from. Foundation Repair Dallas. 1,000 people are searching for this every single month. Foundation Repair Dallas TX. 100. 150. 100, 150, 150, 100, and this list just keeps going. And there are pages of keywords. And so in order for you to get some more traffic, you'd want to make sure that your Google business profile is ranking for all of the buyer intent keywords that apply to you. So you want to add more citations there, and then get your website ranking as high up as possible for all of your buyer intent keywords. So you want to add more content and embed all the buyer intent keywords in your content, and then making sure that your website has more authority and more trustworthiness. So you want to add more high quality backlinks. And so I would love to know if this was helpful for you. So if you'll give me a call with your feedback, and I will let you know the joke of the day. Thanks for watching.